How to make money online. 6 easy money-making ideas. Want to make money quickly? There are legal ways to make money online, and millions of people do it every day. There are many home-based business ideas you may attempt using your laptop and a reliable internet connection, from independent digital nomads to smart marketers to young entrepreneurs. So let's go through some real ways to make money online. Number 6 is a less competitive money-making method you can get the advantage and earn money easily. 1. Work from home as a call center representative. In today's society, many huge corporations hire call center representatives. You operate as an independent contractor from the comfort of your own home. To begin, you will require a computer and a quiet working location. If yes, you should apply to work as a call center representative. Companies like Sykes hire virtual call center representatives. 2. Be a professional resume writer. Continue watching if you can create an outstanding resume. You should think about offering your resume writing services. Job searchers are constantly in need of eye-catching resumes. A strong CV assists job seekers in finding the proper position. More importantly, weak resumes mean those good candidates are not interviewed. As a result, your talent has the potential to improve a person's quality of life. If you have this expertise, you can offer it on websites like the NRWA. 3. Flip merchandise. Can you spot a good deal when you see it? Then think about purchasing things for resale on eBay. Alternatively, try other websites such as Amazon. Garage sales and thrift stores are filled with unique goods. People frequently underestimate their own worth. Therefore, they sell them for less than their true value. As a result, you can buy them at a discount and earn handsomely. Take advantage of these fantastic bargains. Use them to make money by reselling stuff online. 4. Work as a virtual assistant. Many businesses engage virtual assistants to engage with day-to-day tasks. Look for job postings for virtual assistants on the internet. To begin, pitch your service to online business owners. One of my friends works as a freelance virtual assistant and earns $10,000 each month. 5. Design your own t-shirts. This can be a fantastic fit for you if you're creative and enjoy designing stuff. If so, take a look at the Cafe Press website. You may publish your own t-shirt designs on Cafe Press. You receive a part of the sales revenue when a consumer buys one of your designs. Cafe Press prints the order and sends it to the customer. The only thing left to do is upload designs. In conclusion, selling t-shirts online might be one of the simplest ways to earn money. You can also sell the following things on Cafe Press: home and decor, drinkware, bumper stickers, and stationery. You may now devote more time to design and less time to sales. Redbubble is a second website to attempt in order to sell more designs. Or, to reach more customers, try selling on both platforms. 6. Deliver translation work. The translation is a relatively underdeveloped niche, which means it has less competition than other niche sectors. To take advantage of the chance, you must be fluent in at least 2 languages. If you're bilingual or studied a popular language in school, this could be a terrific money-making opportunity for you. Your ability to translate will need to be put to the test. Make a point of emphasizing your language degree or experience interpreting literature in your portfolio or resume. Most employers will demand a translation test, and you cannot utilize translation tools to help you pass the test at any time. Sites where you can locate online translating jobs include People Per Hour, Upwork, Pro Translating, TranslatorsBase, and Gengo. As you can see, there are numerous ways to supplement your income, and you don't have to start hustles just because you're in debt. You can earn extra money to put aside for various purposes. Perhaps it's a trip to Australia or early retirement for you. Hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.